Hello everyone, welcome back to Xiaomi. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Google Play Store if it is not opening. So let's get started. First, close the Google Play Store completely, then open it again. Sometimes this is enough to fix the problem. And if it is still not opening, now open the setting app on your phone. Next, scroll down and find the apps. And here find and select Google Play Store, or you can use a search bar and search it. And after that, just tap on the Google Play Store, and here at the bottom right, tap on the false stop. And after that, tap on the storage, then tap on the clear cache. Next, tap on the clear data or clear storage depending on your device. Now go back and now find Google Play Services and tap on it, and again tap on the storage and clear the cache as well. And once you're done, open the Google Play Store again and check if it is working. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechChamp for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.